Hello, here we are again for a third tutorial video for Tech Hub project, and we will go to the third tutorial that we have in PDF, and it will be a keychain. Let's open the document and take a look what we should to do for this model. So here it's a phone number like a keychain. Okay, let's see what we should to do in order to obtain this keychain. So, like in previous videos, we will start in SolidWorks, a new sketch, and we will introduce the number. Okay, so let's go to new, take a part, and say OK. Here, just switch to plain white, go to sketch, take a command sketch and choose a plane. Here we will introduce a text and introduce the value. I will introduce same number like in PDF, so it will be this number. Okay, and just make the setting here. So for this number, I just take off the use document font and we will say 17 narrow text and 90. So it will be here 70 and here 90. Okay, let's make a zoom to see what we do and the effect, and here should be Arial narrow 10. So font Arial narrow, and here should be 10. Okay, this is it. Okay, good. Just say OK here, validate the result. And if I want to move this text, we see that this point with origin, I want to make it coincident. And now it's a fully defined sketch. Exit from sketch and go to, I think it's too close one to another, but I take the setting from here, 1790. Okay, let's go here and extrude it with 5 millimeters. Go to feature, take extrude and say 5 millimeters. Okay, so I obtained this number in 3D. Okay, good. So move to second sketch. The second sketch is this one. Good. So create another sketch on same plane, on front plane, look perpendicular to this sketch, and let's make here an axis. So open a center line and make a center line somewhere here, a vertical one. Yes, where is it? At distance, I don't know what is the distance. Okay, let's see. So I need a line, another line, another line, another line, arc line. Okay, let's try to do it. So I need a line somewhere here, line, 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 another line. After that, I need an arc here. Arc, 3-point arc from here to somewhere here. Yes, something like this, and from here to here, something like this, and just another line on bottom. Yes, and this should be, of course, horizontal one. And this point with origin should be on same horizontal. Okay. And let's put some dimensions, yes. But I know they are tangent, so this line with this are, this arc with this line are tangent, and this arc with this arc are tangent. Good. And now just put dimension and say 175, 175, 1 up, 1, yes, 2, 2, 1, arc radius 3, I saw radius 3, and radius 10, 10, and 7.5. So from here to here, 7.5. Of course, I can drag this like this. What dimension is missing? is 15, so this means from here to here should be 7.5. So now I can just move this. Good. And just okay, and now let's select this point, yes, and origin and path the dimension, and it should be 45. I think 45 is enough. It should be more. 47, yes, I think it's enough. 47. Good. And of course now I will do a mirror entities and just select the entities and say to not move, I want mirror, sorry, mirror entities, and select the entities and mirror about this line. Good. And I obtain the shape. Exit from sketch, go to feature, take extrude, same 5 millimeters, validate, and I obtain this. Now I should create the top part, yes, and the top part will be this one, yes. So I have an arc, another arc, and some elements there. Okay, so let's create same sketch on same plane, not same sketch, another sketch on same plane, sorry. Okay, so I will start from a middle, and of course again vertical axis, and here should be an arc like this, another arc like this. What I know about this arc, they should be on same vertical with origin, yes, so on same vertical, and this with this also on same vertical. Good. What I know now, I know 15 and 10 millimeters. So here should be 15. Here should be 10 millimeters. 10. Yes. And this should be on same horizontal, and this on same horizontal. Good. What is next? Next is to create this element. Here is a line, an arc, and a line. Okay. So here, okay, but before this, I'll move it a little bit. Yes, so if I want to move it, I will change this 47 to 50 millimeters. Yes, good. In order to have some space here. So come again in the last sketch and continue the modifications. So the radius is 6.5 and 10. So this is 10. And this is 6.5. And I know 10 should be coincident, so this point with this point should be merged, and this should be at 3 millimeters, and this with this should be at 3 millimeters. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, let's make sketch more visible, yes, the dimensions. Okay, and now just create a line here, something like this, here something like this, and an arc between these two. Yes, and I will just close this. What I know that these two lines are parallel, and the angle here is 70 degrees. Yes, so between this line and this line should be 70 degrees. Yes, good. 70 and 1.5. So the length of this line is 1.5. Good. 1.5, 2 millimeters here. So 2 millimeters here, aligned 2 millimeters. And this arc should have what is with this arc? Sorry, I exit from our guide. So I enter again and repeat the operations. Here we are. Yes, let me see the dimension, radius 3. So I saw the dimension, it's radius 3 for this arc. Yes, radius 3. Okay, and now it's fully constrained. And of course, make a mirror for this line, this arc, and this about axis, and here will appear the rest of element. And I have a fully defined closed contour. Exit from sketch, and of course again make a extrude for this with 5 millimeters, of course, and validate. Now I will do the connections, the bridges between this body and this body. Let's see how I will do that. First of all, I make the bridge on bottom, so here will be a bridge. So again, make sketch in order to connect all numbers, yes, to make a number, and make a rectangle from here to somewhere here, don't matter. And how big I want to make it, it should be, let's say, 1 millimeters, yes. Not 1 millimeters. I want that this line with this point to be coincident, yes, in order to don't take from 0. Okay. And how long I want to have it? 50. Exit and just extrude with 2 millimeters. Yes, 2 millimeters. Good. And now I have a connection. You see, so now all numbers are connected between them, and this feature also is connected. I think it's too far, so I will change this 50 to 48. I will bring it closer to the rest of the element. Yes, and now it's closer. I can make it 47, I think. Let's see what will turn now. Okay, I like it more now because it's more close. Okay, I create this bridge, yes, with 2.5. I extrude it with 2. So you can change it to 2.5, or I can change it from here, edit feature, and instead of 2 millimeters, say 2.5. So now our bridge have the height 2.5. Good. And now here we have this one, yes. So make again a sketch on bottom face, so it will be on front plane, and create an axis again, so a center line here. From here go up, and let's make a bridge. So here will be a rectangle under angle, so I will take this one, 3-point corner, so say from here to here and go up. And let's make construction 2.5 and 0.75, so 0.75 and how much I said, 2.5. 2.5. Okay, and angle 45 degrees, so here should be 45 degrees angle, yes, and the distance 0 from here, 0.75, yes, you saw this dimension, 2 millimeters, from also from here to here, 2 millimeters. And now my rectangle is fully constrained, yes. Good. And of course make a mirror for this rectangle, just select it and say about this, and obtain the second one. Exit from sketch and extrude it with how many millimeters? With 5 millimeters, of course. Yes, so go to feature, take this rectangle, go to selected contour and show the second one and say 5 millimeters, and make these bridges between the main body and the upper body. Okay, now I will cut. Now I will make the connection ring, so it will be a connection ring here on front of this one. So create another sketch, of course again on front plane, again look perpendicular to it, and make a circle here, somewhere here, make a circle, and I will do it to be coincident with this, so it's coincident, yes, and it will be on middle, so now it's stay there, yes, good. And I will do another one is from some center, and let's see the dimension. It should be 6 and 3, yes, so this should be 6 and this should be 3 millimeters, like this, and it should be 1. No, I will put the height. So I say 10, it should be, I think, 4.9. Good. Exit, rotate, go to feature, extrude, and say 5 millimeters. Of course, it's okay. And now this is our connection ring. Yes. Good. And now the numbers. So I look up here in the phone the numbers. Make a sketch here, here, and cut a simple rectangle somewhere here. Make a rectangle and say 1 to 1. Yes. 1 millimeters. 1 millimeters. And it should be at 4 millimeters from bottom and 5 from this. Yes. So from this point to this, so to which one? To this one, 5 millimeters, and from here to here should be 4 millimeters. Good. Just cut it. Yes. Rotate. Go to features. I want to cut, so I take extrude cut and say draw. Validate. Okay, and now I want 2 of them. So I make the linear pattern and say the first direction is that. There, I want 3 of them at 2 millimeters. And second direction is bottom, of course, at 2 millimeters. Also 3 of them. And which is the feature? Here I select the feature. This is the feature. Yes. So we can see that here is 3 by 3. And what happened? 3. No, it's okay, but why it's not full of them? Okay. I don't understand why it's not. Okay, you should take out pattern seed only. Yes. Okay, and here we obtain the numbers. Yes. So this is it. Feature 8 here is to make the pattern, and you can see the pattern performed here. Of course, I save it. We can assign the material. Yes, and this will be the phone number. Yes, or keychain, how we want to name it. And of course, we can go to appearance, go to appearance. I will do it from plastic, high gloss, and I will do it black. I like a black keychain. Okay, you can assign another color, of course, for your keychain, and we will see in one of next videos how to make it in 3D on 3D printer. Good, that's it. See you on next video.